Hi everyone, let's solve the mail it code challenge. Today is the last day of second week and the day 14, and the problem is implement the try prefix or prefix tree. So implement a try with insert, search and start with methods. So we should have a try data structure, and that data structure should have three methods: insert, search and starts with. And if methods call the insert, it should insert a word. And so this try data tree is kind of similar as a tree, which is a tree with like different. So binary tree has a two nodes, while the try can have many nodes. Like here we need to use all the characters in our input strings is a to g. So we need the try data structure with 26 nodes, which can holds a to g. And let me draw a little bit to clear out the picture here what how it looks. So let's say we need to create a try data structure. So it is start with a null node, and that null node will have 26 nodes like a, hold a, and characters and v character and so on, c and d, e up to g characters. So then, and each node inter also contain 26 like a and v, like in reference of the all other 20 till 26 characters. So like this. And let's say if we have to insert word a p p, we have to insert a word app, and there is nothing in the, so far no word is inserted at in our try data structure. So it is start with the null node, and then we will have to insert a character a in one of make the a of the root node. So let's call this is a root node, and it has got a. Then we will create another and update p in the as a child of the a, and then we need to create another node which is p of o, and as a value same p. In the end we will round this word because this is the end of the word of this. Let me round with another different color here, and this is like a round of the word. Let's say now we need to insert another word in the same try root, like apple. So what we will do, we will iterate this character wise character our word, and check in starting. If it is already contained, then we don't insert again. If it is not in uh, if our try is path is not contained this character, then we need to create. So right now if we go a is already there, a is already there, and then p is already there, and again another p is already there. Then next it's not there, then we need to create another node l, and in the then we need to create another node for character e. So this is our e word, and let's make me this is the end of word for apple. So this way this try data structure works, and this is how you may understand already. Like I explained little bit here in the approach is like we need to iterate character wise character each of the word. And same for let's search. Let's we need to search again, search here app. So what we will do, we will again iterate in the same way as we iterated in for the inserting of the word in the try. Now we will go again character wise character and check if it is already contained. If it is contained, then we will continue till the end of the word, then contain. And in the end, once we reach the end of the string, we will check whether this is the end of word or not. So this is the end of word is true, so it means this word is exists. End of word is true. Let's say if we need to search another word like app l. So here once we reach in the same way we follow till the app, then l is also there, but end of word of the here at this level we don't have true. So which means this is not a one word we inserted at so far. So which means the search of this appl is false. So let's start the implementation of this. So for implementing, I will use existing data structure and the data structure which is like hash map, which will help us to basically grow. We will not restricted our code is like if we use a array data structure, there we need to define the length. Like currently we know a to g, but if we need to make generic that like for support all the characters of the ASCII, So that's why I will use the map, and before that we need to create a try node. So let's start with the try node, and let's start a class try node. We need that, and that class will have a map of character comma another like reference to other try node which is let's call it childs, and we have one boolean attribute here to track the end of word, and let's add the constructor here, public constructor try node, and initialize our map childs with the new of hash map, and default end of word is false. So this is what we did the constructor. Let me put some comments here to easily understand. It is a like we created a try node, and this part is constructor of our node, and here let's now we can create our try node, one of the root which will be try node root here, which will help us. Let me make it a private here and once the constructor of our try class will call, we will initialize our root with root is equal to new of try node, okay. So now let's start the implementation of insert method. So as I already explained you here, like we will go character wise and see if it is already exist, then we will move to the next character. If it is not exist, then we will create new node and insert in the map basically as a child. So let's see, let's take the try node current is equal to root. We will always start from the root and start checking, and then start for char ch in as word dot to char array, and now we will check and get the try node from the childs of current dot childs.get of ch. Let's now we will check if it is exist or not. If it is not exist, if node is equals to null, if it is not exist, then in that case we will create node is equal to new try node and so we will create node is equal to new try node, and here once we done with this, then in that case we will set current dot childs dot put ch comma node. We will add that node in as a child of our current node, and in the after that we will update our current as to node, so that we will move to the next level, and we will do this continue until the string all the character of our word process, and in the end we will do set the current dot end of word to true, because in the end we need to mark the end of the word, and it is a void method, so we don't have to return anything. So this is the implementation for insert method. Let's start the implementation of search. The implementation of search is basically exactly similar, nothing is different. So let me copy paste here, and or let me basically write down this from the starting, it will be better for clear understanding. Let's again create a current node from the root, and then again process for char ch in word dot to char array, okay, and then check the node, then try node is equals to current dot childs dot get ch. If like we don't found any of the character during the processing of all our character of the word, if node is equal to null, then we immediately here return the false, because there is no point to continue further because we miss few of the character. Otherwise we will update our current to node. Otherwise we will update our current node, and in the end we will return just current dot end of word. So if it is end of actually end of word, we will return true. If it is not actually end of word, we will return the false. So let's see the third method, which is a starts with. So return if there is any word in the try that starts with the given prefix. So here like it is exactly same as the search, just we don't have to check whether it is end of word or not. So the code will exactly same, there is no changes in the code here till here. If we don't found during the processing of the character any of the character, we will simply return the false, like we didn't found that word in our try. And if we process all the character and we found all the process, even whether it is end of word or not, we don't worry about, we just simply return the true because we found the prefix or the exact the match. So this is what the starts with method. Let's see once review it. So we created the node class first try, which has the childs as a map, and we here initialize with a constructor which has hash map, and we also use one of the field of our try node as a end of word, which will track the whether is word or not. And in the constructor we initialize as a false same, and we created a root node, basically root node of the try, and then initialize the root node of try in our uh, basic in the constructor of our try class. And then we wrote the insert method. In insert method what we did, we scan through the character wise character of the word and continue till end. If we found the node we will continue, otherwise we will create a node and add in the our current as a child of that node. And once we process every character, in the end we will and make the end of let's and the another like for search it is same as like insert, just if whenever we don't found the any of the character node, we will just simply return the false. Else we continue, and in the end we will check if the end of the word is true or not. Based on that we will return for the search, because in case of search we need to exactly check whether that exact word is exist or not in our try detect checker. And another is starts with. For start with we continue do that. Only the difference from the search is we don't have to worry about whether it is a word or not once we found all the character of our word. So first one mistake here, this is a prefix not the word, so let me change word to prefix here. Anywhere else we use word? No. And let's again check this. Yeah, we use word only, word. Okay, so let's try to compile this code. It's like very huge code. Let's see whether compilation there is a compilation issue here. Okay, we miss somewhere public try node. It's a class a keyword. Public try node, it's should be a constructor with no argument. So this should be a constructor with no argument. Just we need to initialize our child map and the property. Let's try to compile again. It is looks like going to compile, and let's try to see and compare. So what is expected we are getting. Let's try to submit it. So it is accepted. So this is the exact solution of the try data. So the important application of try data structure is like auto correcting in Google, and if we are writing a document in Word also we get the suggestion of auto correcting, and also the swipe feature in the various uh, chat messengers. So let's compute the time complexity. So what is the time complexity? So here we are just iterating for the length of the word. So the same here in search also we are doing the same thing, also in start we are doing, so everywhere we are doing the same thing. So the time complexity of our solution is, so let me write down here in the top. So the time complexity of our solution is like O of length of word at max length of word. Also the space complexity it will be same, and also it gradually increase if we increase with the number of words. So number of words and and the same for each word we are, but this space may be shared, so we cannot easily exactly say, so at was max we will use the same. So okay, so this is the solution. Thank you. If you like my solution, and hit the like, comment and subscribe for the future upcoming videos on the other data structures. So this is the one of the well important data structure using the auto correcting features and all, so it's good if you know this. Thank you.